Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So I'm back today, and as you can see, I'm pouring over this, I think this is 18-inch round. It's a piece of MDF. So I'm going to be doing the pearl pour, but I'm going to be doing, the video today is inspired by pieces of Tara. Tara does the really pretty Dutch pour / pearl pour, so that's what I'm going to try today. The only thing is I do my Dutch pour a little bit different, and I actually blow it with my mouth. I don't blow it with a hairdryer, so I'm going to see what happens with that today. But the one thing she does that I really think is cool is she puts this this color shift, and I'm using the golden, and this is iridescent interference blue. So she puts the interference color all over the canvas, and then all the cells kind of pop up, the pearls. So I haven't done that yet, so I'm going to be doing that. So if you're unfamiliar with her channel, go check her out. Her link will be in my description. So some of the colors I'm going to use today is I'm going to be using Teal by Golden. All my paints are mixed the same way with the Pearl Effect medium. It's in my description of the recipe I use. Some of the colors that I will be doing my Dutch pour with may be my normal paints that I mix with floetrol and water, which would be a little bit thicker, but we'll see. Not sure what I'm going to do there yet, but that's how I did my swipe technique when I did this with the pearl pour, and I'll link a video here showing you that, where I use the pearl as my base and my swipe paints as my swipe paints. But anyway, I have the Teal by Golden. I have Modern Masters Rose. I have some, this is actually a satin enamel I used as a base paint in one of my, this is actually a milk paint I'm going to be using. I thought this was a satin enamel, but this is called I think it's like, I have to check on that for you, but I think it's like Sea Breeze or something like that, tropical. This one is a Payne's Gray by Golden. This one is a custom mix, and I believe I used Golden Phthalo Blue and a little Prussian Blue. Yep. And then this is my 24 karat gold mixed with Modern Masters Gold Rush. This is my interference blue, and my base today is a custom mix gray, which I just took my satin enamel white, bare satin enamel white, and I added in some Payne's Gray, just a touch, just to give it a little tint. And this is just the white with a touch of, I think there was like a light gray, but you can't even see it. It's pretty much white. All right, so I'm going to do a split base and put all the colors down. Actually, I'm probably going to do a puddle pour. I don't know what I'm going to do, so just stay tuned. All right, here we go.
You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. The weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. would you open my eyes? Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. Some kind of reply. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply.
Wow. Okay, so don't know how I got here, but anyway, you watched the video. If you watch the entire video, you'll see this go through many stages. I absolutely love this. It's the interference that gives it that purpley iridescent look. It didn't exactly come out the way I intended, but you know what? That's what's great about showing our art. Like, this is real. This was my day. This was a struggle. Not every piece comes easy. I intended to do the Dutch swipe or the Dutch pearl pour. You saw how that came out. I did not like it. Those pearls just took over. And then I tried to fix it and it just didn't work out. So at the end, I just put over some more satin enamel white and kind of just added a little bit more color and got rid of it. So I did use a lot of paint here. There's a lot of paint on my table. I will try to scrape it up and maybe use it as a base paint. We'll see what I have when I lift this up. But I actually love this, and I have all the pearls starting to pop up, and they're like different colored, and there's like a pink hue. This is beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video and stayed with me because it was a little bit longer. I'll probably edit some of it out, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I will be doing a giveaway once I hit that number. All right, have a great one, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye bye.